Yeah, because over time, that's what it does. It's not get rich quick.
Yeah.
It's pay down a debt so that you own it.
Yeah.
Whether it's you or renters, you're paying yourself. You're investing. Yeah. I always say like you invest in yourself, and that's what I mean. It's like own it. Or what another quote is. You probably know who the author of this quote. Buy land because they're not making it anymore.
Yeah.
Do you know who the quote of that guy is?
No.
So we're gonna have some show notes and we're gonna put it in there. They're not making land anymore. We're just trading, and so maybe, you're working extra to.
Mark Twain.
Yeah. There we go. So you're making money to get more land.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not in factories like making it or they're not just printing more money because we need it.
So a lot of times you get, I just had this question. It's funny that it popped in my head. I just had this question yesterday. I was getting a haircut, and the stylist asked me, "Oh, do you think the market's going to drop?" Well, what I mean by market drop and what they mean by market drop are probably separate things. As a realtor, when I talk about a market drop, when I talk about a market change or a shift or a correction, I'm talking about just that, a correction. Is prices got too high, people couldn't afford it anymore, so prices came back to the buyer pool, right? Simple supply and demand kind of stuff. I simply mean that they're going from $320,000 to maybe $300,000, or the average sales price goes $300 to $280. That's not a crash. That's not a drop. That's a correction. What I think the community or society means by anybody outside of real estate means by a market drop is the same crash that happened in 2008. Is the market going to plummet? A lot of people are going, oh, that's when I'll buy because then I'll get the best price. The problem is what a market crash does to the economy is devastating. So do I think the market's going to crash anytime soon? No. All indicators are saying no, it's not going to crash anytime soon.
But it will, but if it crashes, what if the job goes? What if your job goes with that? And you thought, oh, I could buy a home, but now because of the job loss, or the job reduction from the company, now that's why nobody can afford it. So all these homes are sitting on the market. So it's not like, oh, the prices are just going to drop and everyone's going to go like, oh, go get in line to buy. Because their means are now jeopardized. And so